What's up guys, what's up, it's your boy XO, and in this video I will be live trading the forex market and showing you guys my best and most highly profitable forex trading strategy on how to use the EMA, which stands for exponential moving average, and Fibonacci break and retests and retracements and engulfing candlestick price action and all those good stuff in this video. So guys, will I make a profit in this video? Let's find that out in this video. So watch this video to the end to see my reasons behind every trade, my stops, my targets, my entries, my reasons for trading, and all those good stuff. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so let me just get this out of the way. This video is going to be a pre-recorded video, so the voicing you're going to be hearing is me talking after I've taken the trades, because it's quite difficult to keep up the pace while I'm trading and talking at the same time. I actually sometimes miss some entries, and it is quite difficult and really annoying, because when I'm trying to explain something, the price just quickly moves and I miss that entry and have to wait for a new one. So I've decided that I will take the trades, then come back later and break down and analyze and explain to you guys every reasons behind the trades. I hope that's fine with you guys. If that's not fine, then please just drop a comment and let me know, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so at this point I can see an entry for a buy trade. So watch this video to the end, so I'll be explaining the strategy I used. So for a 509.5957, for a 764 pip stop, so let's get that done. 76436 pip, and my entry is right at that point, so I'm looking to target these highs right here, or this major high right here. So but the main thing is we want to move our stops to break even once we hit a 1-to-1, as always guys, as always. So let's bring out our horizontal ray and let's draw that from this point, so I can remember that okay, that's my 1-to-1, so I can close my trade on my MT4 account. So this high is where I'm looking at for a 2.8 on this one trade. So let's wait for the result of this trade. Alright guys, so as you can see, the price went into the 1-to-1 region which we marked up, so I moved my stops to break even on this trade. So a 1-to-1 was achieved, then my stop was moved from my stop to my entry, just slightly above my entry, for a break-even trade. So if the price should retrace back to that point, I lost nothing and I won nothing. So I'm targeting this main highs right at this point. So let's just wait for the result of this trade and see if we end up winning this trade, if we end up getting to that main highs which I'm targeting. Alright, so I'll get back to you guys with the result of this trade. Alright boys and girls, as you can see, this trade ended up being a win at this point. Yep, we won this trade guys. Like I said, price was bound to make up to this high, and I moved my stop to break even, and thank God the price didn't retrace so massively to take us out. So the price went straight up. After I moved the stop to break even, the price ended up going straight up, you know, reaching that same high I was talking about for a 2.8 on this trade. So the market went straight up into profit, and yeah, this is one of the most beautiful trades I've taken throughout this week. And yeah, I'm so happy guys that this trade ended up being a win. So if you want to trade with me live every day, click the link in the description guys to join my free VIP Telegram group, so that I can be sending you guys the signals like this, so you guys can join me every single day trading. Guys, it's totally free, you can join for free, and yeah, it's up to you guys. So I took this trade to this week, yeah, the same trade, break and retest of structure, and I got in the trade for an engulfing candlestick, and the trade ended up being a win. And that was, I traded my stop too, and the trade went straight up in the win. So it looks like Bitcoin USD works pretty well on this strategy. Alright guys, so yeah. Alright guys, so trade number 2, let's see guys, let's see. So I found this beautiful entry at this point. Let me bring out my position tool. Alright guys, so my stops just below that, just close to that 200 EMA line, and my trade targets, like I always say, a 1-to-1. You move your stops to break even, and take a 1-to-1.5 or a 1-to-2, depending on how much you want, or you can just trail your stops if you want to. So on this particular entry, I'm using a 1-to-1.5 and a 1-to-1. I move my stop to break even And yeah, that's just how simple it is. So as you can see, there was a breakout of the 200 EMA, and I saw this beautiful move to the upside. Then I just got in the trade. So with my Fibonacci tool, just to explain things even further, so I brought out my Fibonacci tool and I saw price just clearly at that 38 points, bounced off that 38.2 zone, and it went up, yeah, at that point. So it's kind of at the 30 and the 50 zone, but Fibonacci tool is not that important. It's just for me to confirm my bias in this trade. So I've already seen the setup, I've seen the price movement. I'm just clearly looking at price action at this point to get in the trades. So as you can see, the price is moving. Let's just wait for this and see the result of this trade. Alright guys, so we got to the 1-to-1, so let's move our stops to break even. As you can see, a 1-to-1 was hit. Like I said, let's move it to break even. So my stops will be just close to the entry, just at that entry point, just slightly above the entry point, in case of commission fees and other stuff. So that will be enough to cover up those fees. So price is almost taking us out at that point, so let's just wait for the result of this trade. If we end up being a break even, that means we lost nothing and we won nothing. So it's okay guys, we almost got taken out at this point. As you can see, we almost slightly escaped being taken out. So let's just wait for the result. Let's just see. Alright guys, so as you can see, take profit was destroyed. As you can see guys, take profit was smashed. So you can just close the trade at this point if you want to, or just move your stops slightly above at that point. As you can see, I've covered a 0.65 on this trade, or you can just close the entire trade if you want to. But let's just trade this trade and see how far we can cover on this trade. Let's see how much we can cover on just this one trade. So like I said, it's like Bitcoin USD work on this strategy. So guys, I would love to send out signals to you guys, and so that we can take these trades together. So I just want the Telegram group to just be at a decent height, probably like maybe 100+ subscribers. Then I know that there's enough people to send the signals out to. So yeah, let's just see the results of this trade. Let's see the results. As you can see, take profit was smashed. As you can see, take profit was smashed for a 1-to-1.5. So clearly guys, we won this trade. So just move your stops. Just keep trailing your stops guys, to cover up as much trade as you possibly can. Alright guys, so if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. Like I said, you never know guys, this video could change someone's life. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.